the thing, but I wasn't sure.
Go move it. There we go, guys. Melanie thinks she's a driver now.
Get over me. I am a driver, huh? Okay. Everything is set for me. Okay. I don't really feel comfortable like this, but it's fine. You're not supposed to feel comfortable.
Who said that?
On the TEDs, you're not supposed to be like you can be comfortable. You just can't be very comfortable. Okay, you ready?
Go. Did you adjust your rear view mirrors?
I can see perfectly fine. Yeah, I can see perfectly.
What about the sides?
I can see perfectly.
Is it perfectly in the middle? Back there?
Can you like move it? Oh.
You can move it. You need to know how to do it yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see perfectly fine here and there. And
Okay, come on.
where do you want me? Dad, get on, dude.
That's why you need a seatbelt for it. Go down, go all the way down.
All the way there? I thought you wanted me to turn.
Want you to turn? Watch out, don't. You're on the rocks. Slow down, you're gonna hit the rim.
Okay, I'm slowing down. Stop.
Make a U-turn, right here. Keep going. You're gonna pay me for gas.
Ridiculous. Okay, where do you want me to go? You want me to turn?
I don't know where you want to go. You have a permit. You can go anywhere.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this way.
Yeah, we're doing driving hours. You gotta turn this way, but slow down. Brakes, brakes, brakes.
Puff,
Fuck, dude.
chill out.
You're gonna hit this corner right here.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm letting him.
We don't do that. Keep driving.
Yeah, you gotta like chill out, okay? I know what I'm doing. You can't stare at me like this. Yelling. Why are you doing all that?
Watch out for that dip. You're gonna break my tires.
Dad, can you chill out? Like, right, I'm doing great, if you can see. Ow, like, right, I'm doing great, if you can see.
Breaking my tires?
Okay, where do you want to go?
Go right.
Okay, that was a perfect turn, right? Hey, just want me, the freak. I'm gonna let him pass. Driving.
Bro, there's rattlesnakes out here. It's crazy.
I'm gonna let him pass.
Slow down. Put your blinker left, turn. Watch out, watch out. Go, 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 go. Go. You don't even look left, dude.
Pops,
Oh my god.
I saw the car. That's why I went.
No, you didn't. You're on camera.
Left.
You almost hit the curb.
Dad, but I didn't. You need to
Because
chill
I
out.
had the wheel.
No, you didn't.
Why are you going so fast on that turn?
Dad, because you told me to turn. I wasn't trying to hit the curb.
Why are you going so fast on that turn?
Dad, because you.
Go. You almost broke the car.
Pops, you need to chill.
Go left again. Slow down and slow down, slow down, slow down. Brake, brake.
Dude, I was gonna slow down and turn. That's what you're supposed to do.
I
on the
never
other
even
side.
watched you look left or right. You never even
Pops,
looked
I
at.
was looking back there.
You have to look all over. Come on, there's no excuse. Just listen to what I tell you. What you do, what you're doing.
Get off of me, Zondu.
All over. Come on, there's no excuse. Just listen to what I tell you. What you do, what you're doing.
Get off of me, Zondu. Okay, where?
You know where to go. Just keep going.
Go straight?
Melanie, you gotta make up your own mind, man.
No, you're going straight.
Whatever you do, just be safe. And this is not a safe speed for other cars. Some people could be behind you waiting to go. Go right.